and gentlemen,
Okay.
the third year BSCA as they render a choral reading.
Okay, last mo na yan. Nalimutan ko yung scarf ko. Maliwanag.
Fingers, weary and worn,
With eyelids heavy and red,
a woman sat in a woman's rags.
lying her needle and thread. Stitch, 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 in poverty, hunger and dirt. And still with the voice of dollar speech, she sang the song of the shirt. The song of the shirt. Work, work, work. Well, the cock is crowing a loop. And then work, work, work. Till the star shines through the roof. It's old to be a slave. Along with a barber's skirt, where a woman has never a soul to save. If this is Christian work, if this is Christian work. Work, work, work. Till the
Parang
brain
daughter lang ah.
begins to
Work,
sleep.
work, work ah.
Work, work, work. Till the eyes are heavy and dim.
Seeming gas and bun,
One and dust and sin. Still over the bottles I fall asleep. And soon there'll be a dream. Old men with sisters dear. Old men with mothers and wives.
it's not leading you wearing out, but human beings' lives.
Stitch, stitch, stitch. In poverty, hunger and dirt. Sewing at once with a double thread. A shrug as well as a shirt. But why do I talk of that?
That phantom of crispy bone,
I hardly fear its terrible shape. It seems so like my own.
it seems so like my own.
Because of the past I give. Oh God, that bread should be so dear, and flesh and blood so cheap. Work, work, work. My labor never flags. And what are its wages?
A bed of fruit,
Across the bread,
a steak cook,
and shattered roof,
a broken
a
kid,
table,
and the walls so black my shadow they make.
we're sometimes falling there. Work, 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 from weary chime to chime. Work, 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 as prisoners work for crime.
Bun and gas in the steam,
Steam and dust and bun, till the heart is sick and the brain numb, as well as the weary hand.
work, 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 in the dull silver light. And work, 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 and the weather is warm and bright. While underneath the leaves, the broodly swallows sing, as if to show me their sunny bars, and
Ito pala
greet
si
me with
Ron.
the spring.
Oh, but to breathe the breath of the cowslip and primrose fit, with the sky above my head and the grass beneath my feet, for only one short hour to feel as I used to feel before I knew the woes of want and the walk that cost a meal.
Maliwanag.
Oh, but for one short hour, our spies, however ripped, no best leisure for love or hope, but all the time for ripped. A little weeping would squeeze my heart, but in their brave bed, my tears must stop. For every drop hinders needle and thread.
With fingers weary and worn,
With eyelids heavy and red,
a woman sat in a woman's rags.
lying her needle and thread. Stitch, stitch, stitch.
At this point in time, we would like to hear a very important inspirational message from the Dean of the Customs Department, Dr. Wilhelmina T. De Mesa.
Mamita, Mr. Alra, members of the faculty, students of Customs Administration, whom I know will always clap ng malakas because I am their dean. So, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I should have prepared a long inspirational talk. But since I have to abide by their theme, I will just tell you a story. I was never that good in English. Gusto pa nga lagi nagtatagalog eh. But then, I have to get the language, the English subject in college, in high school and in college. But the only thing that I can remember is the conjugation. Limot ko na rin nga ngayon. And the noun and the pronouns. And after that, no more. The students of Entry Global are very lucky. They have the speech, they have the declamation, they have all the spelling, they have the quiz bee, they have everything that can develop them in a very good speaking situation wherever they go. So what happened to me? Let me just tell you a story, a success story. Everybody here maybe doesn't know. I became a district governor of Toastmaster International. Buong Pilipinas po ang nirepresent ko. Not because I am that good in English, but let's say, luck, lakas ng loob, and everything goes with it. When we started the Toastmaster International Club at the Bureau of Customs, I am forced to join it because my boss will not give me assignment, and that means I will not have money for the day. So, bite the bullet, I have to attend. And then when I attended, I was thinking, for 5 times, I have not been doing anything, but we are supposed to prepare for a speech. I did not prepare a speech because I don't know how to make one. There is no Mr. Alba there. Nobody told us how to go about it. Just, we have a book, and then you have to look for it, and then the guide. And then after five meetings, I have not done anything. And then during the meeting, one of my girlfriend, we were 6 only, and they said, ano kaya at di kayo maging district governor? Ano ka, hilo? The district governor is all over the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And we are only one dot of a club. So what? After the 6 meeting, my boss told me, hindi ka pa ba mag-i-speech? Sabi ko, hindi ako marunong gumawa. Sabi niya, sige na lang, dumali ka na anyway. We will just evaluate you. And then after they said yes. So that makes me go on. I started making a speech, one after the other. And then I finished 1 booklet, 2 booklet, 3 booklet, and I was sent at a convention in Visaya. And before I know it, I am running for governorship, division governor, area governor, and everybody is knowing ako. Parang ganon. During the first time of marketing, the first step of becoming district governor, nobody still knows me because I am not that articulate, maarte na, makulit pa. So, they don't mind me. So what I did, I have to have a long black gown and put a very big butterfly goes here. And I decided to enter dramatic entrance. So everybody says, who's that? Who's that? Oh, that's the candidate. So the following day is the election day. I made it there. But then that's the first step, Lieutenant Governor for Marketing. Then they said, after that, the second election, Lieutenant Governor for Education, they said, paano naman natin iboboto yan? Sila attend yung mga governor contest, area contest. So, I have to make an explanation. And I said, during the speech, 3 minutes, they say you will not vote for me because I did not attend that training. My brother was then lying in state. And if you think I will be attending all the Toastmasters when my brother is lying in state, by all means, inyo na ang Toastmaster, no? So that was the end of my speech. During the election, I make it landslide. When I ran for the district governor's office, that was my opponent. Is very good in English. English dollar spoken siya. So he said, lahat siya nasabihin niya, you know, I am that, Hindi din ako marunong noon. So he said, why will you elect Dr. De Mesa? He doesn't talk a good English. And then I said to myself, okay, when it was my time to deliver a speech, I said, I might not be that articulate. I might not be that good. I may not have the right conjugation, the right pronoun, the right verb. But I made it a point that all the words that I will say, all the things that will come out from my mind come from the warehouse of my heart here. All the words will come straight from my heart. I make it again. The following morning, I find myself being proclaimed District Governor of the Philippines. I then realized English made the miracle on me because that was the thing that propelled me to hit the wagon. That's the highest international organization recognized all over the world where communication is being given the most attention, and then the two-track, leadership and communication. Since I must admit I am not that articulate, I choose the communication, leadership. Not the communication, it is the leadership. So I decided when I become the district governor, I went all over the Philippines and started reading all my English book that I can read. That was the time I studied. How I wish Mr. Alba was there. So I will become a good Toastmaster district governor. When it was my time to become a lieutenant governor for education, they said, ayun, yung may babaeng may heart daw. Where she got all the words in the warehouse of her heart. And then everybody, when I stand in front, Bohol, Cebu, hindi pa nun na anong Bohol, no? And then some Buanga and everything, I make there. Especially when I open and said, I wish to thank the Toastmaster for the evening, using me. But I think he has forgotten something. Ako ay balo. Yun ang hindi nila sinabi. No, nagpalakpakan na ang crowd. So, I got the crowd already in my hands. That's it. So, my trip. When I went to Anaheim, California, I was awarded by the Toastmaster International Proficiency and Education. And I was shocked. I could not believe myself. Ako, magaling sa English. Naku, buti na lang wala si Mr. Alba. That's it. So, anyway, all of you is very lucky to have Mr. Alba. All of you is lucky na Interglobal is offering this kind of English, because during the time there is no drama, there is no speech making, there is no delivery, there is no art in saying English. All that we have to know is what do you put after the noun? Of course, it's a verb. That's all. So that time when I became district governor, I thought I'm already very good. So now that Mr. Alba is here, you know, I am afraid to even stand in front because I might be evaluated and I don't think I'll pass. So let me congratulate Mr. Alba for all the effort you've been doing. All the students who's taking up English at Interglobal College, make use of the English being given to you. Make use of the training you are being given. Make use of all this speech making and try to make it as much as you can. They said, if I would like to quote Ralph Waldo Emerson, in every man's life, there come a time when the unexpected come along. You must dream. But make sure you dream big. You must try your new wings. You must try your new wings. Every time you're being given a new thing to play, just like now, you're being given all the facilities by the Interglobal of English language, the beauty of English language. As Ralph Waldo Emerson said, make your dreams, but make it big and make it come into reality. If you have new wings, try your new wings. Try it. Fly, fly, fly. And when you fly, fly non-stop. Good afternoon.
Thank you very much, Dr. De Mesa, for that very wonderful message. At this point, we will be hearing a poem recital. It's the act of reciting memorized materials in a public performance. May we welcome our student who will recite I Am Proud to Be a Filipino by Claudine Oriel Sasso.
I am proud to be a Filipino. I am a Filipino. I came from islands rippled with sun, where days are green forests and nights are warm with the moon and stars. Girding my loins in blood rich as milk, for I was born of sultans, rajas and kings, soldiers and heroes who fought to save the poetry